guys, it's Brio Train Mama here. I know I'm speaking, but it is Mummy's channel, and I am part of this family.
You are. That's perfectly okay.
And we are playing Brio, and you should have seen the last episode. So I recommend you watching that first. So let's dive into this.
So we are on Brio World Railway.
So this cross one means that I've not done that one yet. So let's do that one. Let's do a loop around these trees.
Oh, I see. So you just have to tap it to turn the track pieces around. That's clever.
Have you ever played Brio before?
I have, but not for a very long time.
So you can't remember much, can you?
No.
Well, I've always so I played Brio for many years, so I know how to do it, even when I've not played it. Oh, what just happened there?
I don't know. And if you want to move things, I know you're going around the trees, which is lovely. But if for whatever reason you wanted to move them, you could, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get some trains.
Alrighty.
The red one is for trains, the yellow one is for carriages, and the green one is for cargo.
Okay.
So let's go on a train first. So we've got a blue electric train,
Look at these bits.
A green and red train, a yellow and red train, an orange diesel, a very old black steam engine. Oh, I'm just showing them. We've got this yellow diesel, well, orange yellow, yeah, well, orange steam engine, blue diesel electric, red electric, black newer steam engine than the other one, party engine, zoo engine, and the other zoo engine, and the dinosaur engine.
Are some of them sparkling because they're new?
Yeah.
Ooh. Can we have a new one?
Okay, which one do you want?
What about... Oh, they look like they're ones that you would like tow along. Like you need one at the start, don't you? Or...
Yeah. Can I choose though?
Yeah, you choose it.
I'm gonna choose this one. I like that one, Mum.
Okay.
So time to choose the carriages. Shall we choose freight carriages or passenger carriages?
Well,
I'll choose. Let's get it passenger train. I'm giving it passenger cars. Well, you can only do up to 4 on Brio.
Okay.
You can only do 3 on the Duplo one, which I've already talked about. So let's put this on the track. Nice whistle then.
Nice whistle.
Let's get in this train then. Well, you can actually get in there. Should we play them? See, you can get spoon driver's view.
Ooh.
And
Nice.
bird's eye view.
I've always wondered what it would be like to be
And
a
you
train
can
driver.
do backwards
Yeah.
and stop.
Okay.
And you can do forwards. So which one? But you can't do the speed on this one. But it does have a handle.
Okay. Why don't we go backwards for a bit?
Oh, look at this. And this also has a whistle. Nice
Lovely.
whistle.
Nice. Yeah. Should we go forwards now? Very scenic. Lovely trees. Yep.
Did we just see a pond there?
Maybe.
There it is again. See? We did.
Yeah.
There was a pond. Nice little layout. This is
Beautiful.
not too big, not too small.
Yeah.
Just perfect.
It's a perfect start, I would say.
So, Let's choose another train. What the? Wrong button. Well, I can still play on it, can I?
Yeah.
So we're back on the game. I clicked the wrong button. There are two buttons there. We want the yellow one. The yellow one, guys, we had a little incident then. So let's get a different train. This one should go up. And let's do this. A passenger train. I'm choosing another train now, Mum. This is a nice calming loop, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, should we give it some water or something? Like a little pond?
Yeah. Can you put ducks on it?
No. But you can make a pond. Look. Pond. 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 Ponded. Pond. Pond. Finally got a pond.
Okay.
Wait. Is this a tank engine or a tender engine? Look. Is it a tank engine or a tender engine? What do you think?
I'm not the best person to ask.
Let's get back into the engine quickly. Okay. Why shall we?
Yeah, sure.
Because, well, it won't fit. So let's get that out. And that out. And put that in. And that in. And put this in. And put that in. And put that in. And put that in. And make some more real life. A bit bigger.
Having added a pond and extended our track, we're now looking to add a station. Woohoo!
Swap that out with a station, which I'm going to get. So we've got old style, mill style, and new style, Mum. Which one?
What about a mill style?
I just immediately got a present.
Since it was getting quite late, we decided to end the video there. I really hope that you have enjoyed watching us build that track layout. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up, like the video, check you're subscribed for future videos such as this and also reading Thomas stories, etc. And other than that, have a great day.